Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chance David Akiki, and today we are going to look at how we can use multiple if to help us in grading in Excel. So assume we have our students, they have sat for a certain subject, maybe it is English, and they have scored different marks. Would wish to grade them according to what they have earned, not using this one has passed or this one has failed. No, we want if this one has got a 90 and he qualifies to get an A, Excel should be able to give him an A. And this one has got a 23, qualifies to have failed, then Excel should fail that person. How do we come up with that? Just come here in your cell and you start with the equal signs as usual. Then you say if. You press tab. If this is J7, if J7 is greater or equal to 80, if J7 is greater or equal to 80, you put a comma, then this person should be able to get an A according to the ranking system which we have currently. So this person should be able to get an A. Then you again write another if. You say if, you press tab. If J7 is greater or equal to 70, you put a comma, then this person should be able to get a B. This person should be able to get a B, put a comma. You again say if J7 is greater or equal to 60, you put a comma, this person should be able to get, either is a B, this one should be able to get a C. Put a comma, then you say if, you enter, if J7 is greater or equal, if it is greater or equal to 55, maybe to 55, you put a comma, this person can get a D. You put a comma, then you say if J7 is greater or equal to 50, comma, this person can get an E, comma, then you say if, if tab, that is J7, if J7 is less than, this is the last if it is less than 50, you put a comma, then this person should have failed, then we put failed. Now I want our Excel to rank in that format. Let us close all the brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we have closed all our 6 brackets. So once you are done with your formula, you just press tab. So you press enter button. When you press enter button, you would see that Muhumuza has a 90 and is above 80, has gotten an A. So you don't need to write anything here manually. You just come and put your cursor here. You get that plus thing in the cursor. Then you just drag it down until all your students are done. Then you release. So you can see here it has ranked you according to what you have given it. Here it has told you this one has a 90 and that is an A. Then Harriet also has 87, it is an A. We have this one who has 78, that is a B. And those ones who have failed are also there. So this is how, in simple terms, we can use Excel to automatically rank or grade for us people in case we are dealing with a very big number of students, whereby you cannot write A, failed, B. No, this one, it is so smart and automatic. So I would wish us to stop here for now. We shall meet in another class. I think that one would be the other day. Thank you very much for listening to me.